Well, hello, virtual educators. In this video, I want to show you how to set up your LTVD journal. And what I'm using is a free site created by Blackboard called Blackboard Course Sites, as you can see. So I have an account here, and you can get one as well. You can register right here for a free account. Instead of using my actual course shell to show you, for the courses that I teach, I just made this pretend course. So just pretend this is my course, my fake course that I've created. That's our textbook for the course. And over here I have my LTVD journal. So the way that I created this, and of course, if you don't have Blackboard for your LMS, Learning Management System, then, you have to follow whatever the instructions are, with that particular one. For course sites, you would come up here and you would choose a tool link. Okay, and the tools are all these different things that are already embedded within the course that are available to you. So we're going to choose journals, okay, and then we're going to call it the LTVD journal. There it is. My cursor's everywhere. So we would do LTVD journal, okay, or you can say study journal or whatever you want to call it. So that's the way I created this button. I would click submit. When you want to make it available to users, you click here. If you want to wait until you completely finish it, which is what I do, and then make it available, you click there. Okay, so I've already done that here. This little line here means that there's nothing, that this link is hidden from the students, and there's nothing there that they can see. Okay, all right, so I'm going to click on the LTVD, and I just put LTVDJ here, and these are those instructions that you see on the in the lesson. So it says this is how your journal will look. LTVD study journal instructions, submit your journal entry here each Saturday evening by 11 p.m. and so forth and so on. You can read the instructions there. I also included the template for them and the screencast-o-matic video, which is an instructional video that explains to them how to complete this template and also shows them a student sample. Okay, the LTVD pacing guide is also included here, and then the chapter outline video tutorial. So this video, I want to show you this video. Let's see. Open link in new tab. Let's do that, because I want you to see what this video is that you can use to teach your students how to do a chapter outline. And this is the video. I wanted to go over the basic outline. Okay, so this is what the video looks like, and I'll put the link to this video on the course site. So that's the link, and then optional, if you wanted to do audio tips like you've seen in my lessons, then you can do that, but it's not necessary. I had the audio tips actually before I created created this instructional video. So in the audio tips, I'm pretty much telling them the same thing. They just can't see it. So if you want to do audio tips, I mean, I like listening to, I'm an Audible type of girl. I like listening to books, then students can listen while they're on the computer doing something else. But if it's something that you want them to see, I want them to see the study template and see the example, then I have that as well, this video. All right, so how did I do this? Well, you come here after you create the journal, and we edit, okay? And I just copied and pasted the instructions right here, right? When I added this document, I clicked on this paper clip. When you click on that, it allows you to browse your computer. You pick your document and then submit, okay? So that's how that was done. Then I just, copied the link from the video where I show them the template. Same thing for uploading this PDF file. And normally for here on Blackboard that I use, I'm able to go to mashups right here, and YouTube is a selection. For this free site, YouTube is not on here. All you have is SlideShare. So I had to actually go find the video and then just put the link here. But I just wanted to show you how you include the resources under the description of the instructions, so that the students don't have an excuse for not being able to access those things, okay? So that's how that's done. You come down here. You want it to be weekly. Allow users to edit and delete entries. I don't allow them to do that, but you could if you wanted to. You know, I don't allow them to delete anything. So this, I don't click on any of these. Permit course users to view the journal. No, the journal is private. It's just for them to submit to me and for me to give them comments. The journal is going to be worth 100 points, so we put 100 points there. Then the last due date, let's say the last due date is 8 weeks from now, May, let's see, June, July. So you would come here, move the months. Let's say the last day is July 18th, and you can put that there, and then you click submit. Okay. And there's your journal. So when students come here, they go to create a journal entry, and then that's where they post, they upload their template. So they're going to come here to create a journal entry, and they're going to name their journal entry. So I like for them to do Unit 1, Session 1 for the first journal entry. All they have to do here is not click here. I don't like to put it here. Take that back. They can click here, but I would prefer them to browse their computer and it will attach the file. So browse their computer here and it'll attach their LTD study template right there. They're going to post their entry right there. And they'll have the document there. Okay. All right. So when you look here, you're going to see the names of all the students in your class. It's going to show empty journals, and then they will have a list of names here. But since I'm the only one in the class right now, then you can't see that. But here's where you can also see all the students' journals going down here. You can also see their journals in the Grade Center. So we go here to the Grade Center, and we come over to the journal, LTVD journal. We'll see that the journal's right there. Okay, and then we can also, I know I was clicking there, just I forgot there's not going to be any, grades or any names down here because there's no one enrolled in the course. But you can edit column information from here. I'll just show you that really quickly. You'll see that we already put that it was 100 points. You'll see that, and that's how it's going to show up on their grade book. Or in the Grade Center. The due date is right there. It's going to show them that as well. Include this column in grade calculations? Yes. Show this column to students? Yes. Show statistics? No. Okay. All right. So we cancel that out. And that's how you set up your LTVD journal. If you have any questions about this, always feel free to put them in the comment section or to go over to our mini course where we can interact with each other and where your question may benefit somebody else. And I will see you in the next video.